Darwin M2, the world's first detachable IPS digital microscope designed for indoor and outdoor use. 4.3-inch IPS screen, making your observations more comfortable and relaxing. Say goodbye to the small eyepiece. Aerospace-grade aluminum alloy focusing reel gives you a smooth and precise focusing experience. The 2-megapixel image sensor delivers 1080p videos and images. Hybrid zoom capability allows for magnification from 100 to 1600 times. With RGB optical staining function, you can rotate the knob to change different backlight colors. Stand mode and single tube display, very suitable for outdoor observation. The compact single tube is palm-sized, offering flexibility and convenience during exploration. Darwin M2A version provides a specimen collection set for outdoor exploration. The 32GB TF card and 2 buttons located at the bottom of the screen make it easier to capture images and videos. With a built-in Wi-Fi network and self-equipped app, you can easily share your discoveries with family and friends or upload your discovery to social media. The quick projection function can achieve dual-screen display, enable multiple people to observe at the same time. Dual adjustable light sources illuminate every detail of the specimen, even in dark environments. The popular sign book, with its charming illustration, inspires kids' curiosity about the microscopic world.